and Cam here with the weekly Omega Team video. I've got a special guest I'd like you to meet today. This is Domingo.
Hi everyone, I'm Domingo Ruiz.
Domingo plays a vital role on our team. He makes sure that all of our listings and our marketing materials go out with a wow factor. I'm going to ask him and Cam to share a little bit about what he does.
So Domingo, when I'm looking on my phone, your stuff is what I call stop worthy. People are scrolling, but boom, they stop and look at our marketing materials and social media. How do you do that?
Well, first of all, every competition has the same technology that we do. It's more than just that. It's how you use that technology. Okay. And when you take pictures of houses, it's more than just a curve appeal. It's about the angles, about the lighting, it's about, how you make the house look, even though it may look the worst house on the block, you can still make it look pretty.
So how do you mix in the aerial photos? Is there a trick to that?
Yes, the aerial photos are done by a drone.
Okay.
You gotta be very careful about drones, but you can have an aerial view, neighborhood view, backyard view, side view. It's pretty interesting.
I'm so proud of you because I've noticed that like even on Zillow and Realtor.com, our listings get a lot more views than just your typical listing. So
correct.
Thank you for that.
First impressions is everything.
First impressions is everything.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, one more thing. Do you ever wonder if Cam and I disagree sometimes? The answer is yes. So look out for our new video series where you get to listen in on some of the topics that we may not see eye to eye on.
Yes, you get two realtor opinions for the price of one. That's for sure with the Omega team.
We'll see y'all soon.
Bye.
Bye.